Sunday. It is the 20th of March, coming to you live, doing a weekly watch list for the charts. And we do this every week, putting it out there and seeing what kind of opportunities are going to be presenting itself in the markets, what trades we're currently looking at or currently in. And we prep this weekly watch list for you guys to be prepared to take advantage of the opportunities. So let's jump right in. Let's start with Forex first. A lot of the yen pairs are popping, but one yen pair that I've been in the trade has been the Kiwi Yen pair. It's been making new highs. I've been riding this trend for some time now, and all I'm doing is just holding the positions and moving up the stops. I do want to point out it did close above its previous high, or at its previous high, back in October 2021. But if you zoom out even further, if I go to the weekly chart, this level, it's trading at 82.2. It's been a new high back in 2017 as well, or that level. So that was the last time we've been at this level, and it looks like it's been trying to breach this level. It looks like we got 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4. So from a technical standpoint, might be that barrier or resistance that might be breaking. We shall see, but we don't know. We just got to rely on price action, what's presenting us. Of course, if you look at this recent movement, strong momentum. Yes, there will be pullbacks. I'm anticipating that, and that's where your risk management comes in, or your trade management comes in. See if you I want to be able to ride this trend and as far as it goes. So that's on the Forex side, one pair I'm looking at. The other pair I'm looking at, I did last week. I got closed out of this position. I was long. I was riding the turnaround on this. I was going long. On Friday, I got closed out. My stops got hit because of this long, strong engulfing bar here. So I've been out. I'm gonna see how this price action develops. Reed might be seeing some smaller entry. We'll see how it goes from there. What was the other one? EURCHF. EURCHF has been dumping, and we made this long wick, new low. Price shot up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. Pulled back, but it seems like the bears could not breach or even reach the previous low. So it could be a forming, because like they tried here, popped up, we closed higher, then the bears tried taking back down, but it could be forming some sort of double bottom here. If you want to look at it, it's on daily chart. That could be something I might be looking at, seeing if the trend or the price starts reversing there. A lot of the yen pairs are moving, but at the same time, you don't want to be overexposed in a yen pair. Let's see, AUDCAD was something I might be looking at as well. It made a new high on Friday as far as going long. It was in this chop for quite a bit, but now Sunday we're pulling back a little bit, but that's expected. That might be some sort of entry I might be looking into as well. Let's look at the indices. Indices had a strong week last week. 1, 2, 3, 4 days it was pumping, making new highs, new recent highs. So Sunday it's pulling back a little bit. We're going to see this similarly on the other indice markets as well, such as the NASDAQ. Right, similar price action. I did have some positions riding this little swing up. I'm gonna monitor how far this dips down, and so I'll be keeping my eye on there. oil. Everybody's talking about the high gas prices, man. But we'll see. We dumped down from 130 to 93. Now we're creeping back up. But you know, I've seen if you've done a lot of screen time, you'll see a lot of this price action going where it peaks up and it peaks down, and then what follows is just lots of consolidation because the momentum is exhausted. Then the tension on both ends just, you know, they kind of just battle each other out until someone gives away. So we'll see. And plus, you know, you got the government intervening with using our oil reserves. I think that's correct. But let's see, gold, same thing. Nothing really exciting yet. We peaked up, made a new high, dropped back down as expected. We'll see how it plays out here. Let's look at crypto, man. What has Bitcoin been doing? Crypto's been in this range, trading at 40,000 right now, around there. It's ranging. For Hawaii residents, they're gonna be, I think there's another hearing on the 22nd this week about the local legislation hearing, going over what bills needed really regarding crypto. So that's something to look out for. I'm hoping, well, we are hoping that we will continue the program and adopt this new type of system. Yeah. But
Oh yeah, absolutely.
we'll see how that goes, man. But other than that, let's look at the stocks. Let's see. DWAC, I've
What's
been keeping note.
stocks you looking at, man?
DWAC has been, they've had a nice pullback. So it peaked up at 97, pulled back to $61. Now it's still, it's going okay. We'll see. $71 right now trading. Amazon is doing the 20-to-1 split. I don't know when, but we'll see. Look, it peaked up from its low
Yeah.
of 2,600. We're at 3,200. $600 rise in price, and it looks like it might be clearing out of this range that it's been in for since January. So we'll see. We'll see how that one goes. Other than that, man, pass it on to you, bro. Go stop there.
Shoots, man. Right on, right on. All right, start mine. Yep, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Ethereum kind of had a little pop. Bitcoin may be providing a buy opportunity for my step of style. It's just creating a pullback now, but overall, it's still within this range between 40, what is this? 46K and 37K. So $10,000-ish difference. But either way, I'm staying cautious with that one. Moving on to Forex. I like a lot of Forex pairs here. So first one is AUDCAD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. I'm looking for long signals. I want it to break this recent high. It's created on the daily's bottom right here where my cursor is. This is a bull trend here, pull back, and now it could be continuing on. Just waiting for this to really show signs. I like how it's creating this descending channel here, like a descending channel, like so, kind of similar here as well. Descending channel, and then it broke out of that. So I'm looking for a breakout of this descending channel. Moving on to Euro Swiss. Glenn talked about this briefly. He went long last week and got out with a little bit of profit. I'm now looking for some shorts because overall we are in, if you look at the daily here, I'm bottom right again. It's overall just bearish. We could have been breaking up to a higher high here, but then it just created this massive low. And that probably had something to do with what's happening in Russia and Ukraine and in Europe overall. So I like this bearish engulfing here, close below the EMAs. The only thing I need it to do is really the 4-hour, and the 1-hour needs to show me that it wants to go lower. So I'm just keeping an eye on this one. And until that happens, I'm sitting on the sidelines. Next one is Pound Odd. Pound Odd creating another descending channel. And the cool thing about descending channels is the price doesn't always have to like do this and then break up. I mean, You know, descending channels is usually a reversal sign, but it also could be a continuation sign. So I like how price is just creating this descending channel and could keep on falling. And it's creating lower lows here on the 4 hour. I just wanted to keep this. Oh shoot. What is this? Oh yeah. Sorry, move this out the way. It was in my way. And yeah, so I just like how it's just consolidating here after this bear trend. It's broken a lot of levels, support resistance level, and the EMAs. So all EMAs are pointing for short for my bias. Moving on to pound dollar. Pound dollar. So I like pound dollar, but I put this in here. It needs to break 1.32 level just so I know that it's going to go on higher. I'm liking how it looks, but I am cautious and aware that we are in a consolidating or a corrective bear trend. Overall, if we're looking at the daily, you know, it's just been going down, lower lows, created a lower low, lower high, didn't really do anything here, but then it continued on lower. So it could be reversing up. So if I do go long on this position, which again, I'm more bull biased currently, I'm only going to be in this for a little bit, as this is just a reversal play. It's not a continuation play. Unlike, you know, pound dollar here, go back to it real quick. This is more of a continuation play. And then pound USD is more of a reversal play if I do go long, if the market presents itself that way. But again, pound dollar, I'm sitting on the sides. I'm more curious to see what pound odd has to do. Moving on to Kiwi Yen. Kiwi Yen had a nice run. Glenn and I were just talking about, I think he's still in a few trades here. I was going to go short here. Price didn't take me in. Then I saw a buy entry here, went long, made some profit here, got taken out here for a small loss, and then 2 wins right after that. So total of 1, 2, 3, 4 wins and 2 losses, or 1 loss. And this was a no entry. So now I'm still looking to buy into this trend. I mean, this is a strong bull trend. I'm expecting a little pullback, but again, I don't know what the market will do. So I'm just going to be watching this for more buy signals here. Yeah, something to keep note too. This is a double top. I'm blast this daily right here. Real quick, wanted to get into this. Oh, this is 1 hour. So here's the daily. The daily is at a double top area. So it could really fall back down. Or it could, the possibilities is that it could fall back down. And Glenn stated, you know, if we look back all the way to, I believe, 2017. Where's this? Yeah, October 2017. There's a lot of resistance in this area. There's a double top here, here, and here. So, I mean, like this, even here back in 2015, it just, there's this area. It's like if we draw like a area between this whole range is short. So it could, maybe it has a little bit steam to go long to 83 level, but we'll see. As far as, and that's Kiwi Yen. Moving on to dollar CAD. Dollar CAD is, I am looking for a, let me put this up as a 1 hour. I'm looking for short here. I like how there's a strong bearish run here, and it's just it could continue on. I really like how it's looking. 50 minutes not really providing a good entry, but the 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily, the major time frames are really looking nice for a short position there. Followed by dollar Swiss. I really love this reversal play here. Got in real quick, closed out for profit. Quick 1-2-1. It's like 1.2 to 1 position at the end of the week last week. And then now I'm still looking for a short. And again, it's more of a reversal, but it could be a continuation if price just continues to drop down to the 92 level, 0.9266 level. So yeah, there's a lot of positions I'm looking at. I'm not in any positions currently. It's just there's so much opportunity this week, so we just got to pick and choose wisely, whatever presents the most action. But other than that, Glenn, that's all I got, man.
Load it up, Brad. Load it
Oh,
up.
load it up.
One thing I do want to go over, one more thing,
Evan.
guys. Tomorrow, this is the Forex.com economic calendar. Something we use to refer to tomorrow on the 21st. Mr. Powell got a speech coming up. And on Wednesday as well. So we'll see how that goes. This is in Hawaii Standard, so 6 a.m. our time,
Okay.
and then 2 p.m. on Wednesday. So we'll take note
Wow.
for that.
We're gonna see could be seeing volatility right at the start of the week, yeah, for at least Hawaii. It'll be a day in the markets for most of the world, but at least in Hawaii, you know, and we're gonna be waking up to possibly some volatility, which is awesome. Yeah.
Well, with that in note, I might tighten up the stops. We'll see, man. We'll see.
Yeah.
But yeah, this week, be vigilant with your positions. We got Trading Topic Tuesday: how to be successful in trading, or how to get on the right track. Last week we covered the do's or the don'ts, actually, how to not be successful. So now we're gonna present to you what to do. Tune in for that Tuesday, 7 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time, guys. We do it on Zoom every week, coming at you, dropping some heat, man. And so, if you guys feel free to join. If you know anyone that wants to start trading or has been trading, wants to connect, find a community, we got you. On that note, guys, happy Sunday. Have a great week.